Profit sharing online can be applied to various business models and can be a motivating factor for participants to actively contribute to the success of a platform, product, or project. Here are some profit-sharing ideas that you can consider for online ventures. Affiliate programs offer people a percentage of the profits for every sale that comes through their referral. Amazon Associates and ClickBank are popular platforms for such programs. Collaborative content creation. If you run a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast, collaborate with guest writers, video creators, or podcast guests. Online courses. Collaborate with experts to create and sell online courses. Subscription models. If you run a membership site or subscription-based service, offer a percentage of ongoing subscription revenue to partners. Crowdfunding profit sharing. If you crowdfund a project, offer backers not just a product but a small percentage of the profits. Stock photo, video websites. Photographers and videographers can upload their content to stock websites. App development. If you develop a software application or mobile app, consider partnering with designers, developers, or marketers. E-commerce partnerships. Collaborate with manufacturers or artisans. Sell their products on your online store. Drop shipping. Use a dropshipping model where you handle the online storefront and marketing, while suppliers handle inventory and shipping. SaaS partnership programs. If you run a software as a service, SaaS, business, consider profit sharing with partners who bring in new customers or who add valuable integrations or features. Digital product collaborations. Co-create ebooks, templates, software plugins, or design assets and share the profits from sales. Sponsorship revenue sharing. If you have an online platform with significant viewership or readership, bring in sponsors and share the sponsorship revenue with contributors or partners. Ad revenue sharing. Platforms like YouTube allow content creators to earn a share of the ad revenue generated by their videos. Print on demand. Collaborate with artists or designers. Sell their designs on apparel, mugs, posters, etc., using platforms like Teespring or Printful, and split the profits. Real estate crowdfunding. Investors pool their money online to invest in real estate properties and share the profits when the property is rented out or sold. White label and reselling. Partner with companies offering white label services.